Hey Rugved, long time no see. How were your Diwali vacations?
Oh, they were nice. Actually, I got to know something that I went to my village and there I saw that that the farmers didn't knew much about the soil, like the nutrients that it required, the pH level of the soil, and the crops they can grow.
That's so true. Farmers usually rely on the guesswork rather than science and tech. It really decreases their crop yield.
And that is exactly the problem we wanted to solve. I need Sachi along with Rugved, Karanveer, Arya and Hemal have made an agriculture-based AI-powered model that solves farmers' issues to know their soil better because we have realized they don't lack hard work, they lack information and this model directly bridges that gap.
So hey, why do you think this project is so important?
Well, first of all, it helps bridge the gap for people who live in remote areas, especially the ones with low literacy and weak internet.
So it's not just for tech savvy users.
Exactly. It empowers these small farmers by giving them simple, low cost advice. It even supports organically friendly practices.
So what about scaling it up?
It is super easy. It can be run on phones, PCs, and even on government and NGO platforms.
Impressive. So it's like a smart bridge between the tech and the people who are in need.
Exactly.
Hello, one and all present here. My name is Karanveer Singh Saini. I'm going to show you how my team and I have made a chatbot that will revolutionize the whole AI agriculture system in India. On my screen, as you might see, are 5 languages: English, Hindi, Kannada, Punjabi, and Malayalam. You can press 1 for English, 2 for Hindi, 3 for Kannada, 4 for Punjabi, and 5 for Malayalam. These languages are the most commonly used languages by farmers in India. We press 2 right now and take Hindi as a demo. We will input list and it will give us all the list of tomatoes, seeds, basils, anything you would like to grow in your farm. So right now we will take rose as an example. If you put in rose, it will give us all of the sustainable things like to sustain the plant. You will get temperature, soil pH, water level required for the plant, sunlight, natural fertilizers that you can use, such as bone meal, composite, and balanced NPK. These all are sustainable and easily accessible to farmers all around India. So, not only does this AI chatbot support sustainability, it also supports the creativity and the ambitions of farmers to grow. As you can see, there are optimal regions also given, such as for rose, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Himachal Pradesh are the most optimal areas for roses to grow. Also, the chatbot asks us if all the conditions that are given above are applicable or obtained in your specific area. Right now, we will say yes. Now, I would like to show you another language that is present in our AI chatbot. Let's take English as an example. When we go to English, we'll again input list. We'll get the same amount of series, and as you can see, there is English DB keys. So this what it does is gives accessibility to those farmers. We will take basil as an example for us right now. You can see all of the conditions are given in the above, along with the optimal regions. Basil is a kind of crop that that can be grown anywhere in the Indian subcontinent. And now, when the AI chatbot asks us if all the conditions are met or not, let's try no, as in zero. So you can see we have a list of conditions that are not met. There are external. There are about 300 conditions that are given in this AI chatbot that aren't that aren't accessible to the farmers. Let's try pests. When we input pests, we get all of the suggestible solutions that are required And along with that, this is to keep in mind that they are all sustainable solutions along with cheap and accessible to farmers. Like in this, if we have pests in our farms, we can remove the infected parts and use neem oil for the rest. Neem oil, as you might know, is an oil that is present throughout India. It is cheap and it is a sustainable solution which won't harm the crops at all. Now you can see there is an action checklist given below. This action checklist is actually a way for farmers to easily and properly complete their tasks that are given. It's a step-by-step tutorial basically to tell the farmers how to grow their crops right and how to sustain them for a long period of time. Also, we have multiple seeds, multiple plants. Suppose if you want to grow plants, seeds, flowers, and different types of crops, this AI chatbot has over 200 of those. Now, there are many improvements that can be made to this AI chatbot, but right now, me and my team don't have the technical skills. But we are working on it, and we will guarantee you that this AI chatbot will come with modular camera, a camera that can detect improvements that can be made for the crops. Suppose if you point the camera at your crops, the AI chatbot will read those crops and they will understand what is wrong with them. For example, if your crops are brown in color and are down and almost dead and deprived of water, this AI camera will detect it and give you the complete solutions on step-by-step action checklist, which is given right here as an example. It will give you all of the sustainable steps that you have to take to improve these plants for a greater crop yield for the farmers that they deserve and require. Along with this, we can input a lot of things. We can input a voice command, which will help the farmers communicate better with the AI chatbot and get their message through. For example, we can put it voice module here. So if you put in a voice module, the farmer would say English. He wants to use the English language, and then when he says English, the English section will automatically get selected. Then it will ask by voice to the farmer to tell them a type of seed that they want to grow. So if they want to grow tomato, for example, they will say tomato to the AI chatbot, and the AI chatbot will give them outputs and solutions. Right now, as I've shown you in the code form, it will show that in the voice command. This is very useful and it will revolutionize the whole of the agriculture sector in India, as you might know. India is in deep need of this, and I hope you select and help us work on improvements so we can make this an NGO platform. We can integrate this with the government website so that we can grow India as a whole. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
Our vision is simple: to bring technology from labs to labs
With AI as a partner,
and farmers as a strength.
innovation as a path.